Yo, my dudes. Listen to the Pixies, Where's My Mind? About to head a little 30-minute, 13-mile mission to Tualatin to go fly some FPV race drones. Let's rip. A wheelie across the bridge here. Warm up a little. I really don't like to wheelie in my town too much, unless I'm in a little special lot. Ooh, a little NSX. What it do? What it do? Honda on Honda. I read you, bro. Never been down this road. Uh-oh. Corner and downhill. That's pretty tech though. Corner and downhill. This guy we're just flying with top down, windows up. Couldn't make it. That's what I hear a lot. I wouldn't say that. Little wheelie. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that session as much as I did. Some flying, some wheelies on some mopeds. It's been a blast. Summer's kind of coming to an end over here in Oregon. Got the rain coming soon. A couple more days next week. We got some sun coming. But other than that, I got a couple of the projects here in the garage to handle. Got this motor right here for this Yamaha pre-bug I got over there. It's 89. And a paramotor frame swap over here. And rear rack on the Tenere over there. See you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe.